This video will show you how to use the World Book database, which is the digital version of the World Book Encyclopedia. World Book Advanced is intended for high school level research. We'll start by putting a keyword into the search bar. Be aware that World Book only searches the exact keyword you put in. It doesn't suggest alternate spellings or correct for typos. If your search term doesn't turn up any results, it may send you to the World Book Dictionary for possible matches. Once you're on the dictionary page, you may need to click on the World Book Advanced logo at the top to get back to the encyclopedia. When you find an article, take a minute to skim it and see if it looks useful for your research. If so, there are 2 steps to take before you begin reading closely and taking notes. First, save a copy of the article to the folder with your project materials. In World Book, you have 2 ways to save articles. At the top right, click the cog icon, which will bring up the Settings menu. From here, click on Save. Then you'll see that you can either download a PDF or save directly to Google Drive. If you don't mind giving World Book access to your Google Drive, you can choose that option. If you'd rather not grant them access to your files, choose Download PDF, and it will send the article to your Downloads folder. You can then go to your Google Drive and upload the PDF directly to the folder with your research materials by clicking New, then File Upload. You may want to rename it with a title like World Book Inca, so that you know which database it came from. The next thing you need to do is copy the citation information. Again, click the cog icon for the Settings menu, then choose Citations. Now you'll need to select your citation style. For your World Civs paper, you'll need citations that match the Simplified Chicago Style Guide. In World Book, the closest match to this style is MLA. Copy the citation, then paste it into a document in that same folder with your other materials. It's fine to use the citation generated by the database for the outline stage of your research paper. Later, you'll need to check your citations against the Simplified Chicago Style Guide and edit them to make sure you have the right information in the right format. Now you can begin reading through the article and taking notes. Make sure to write down any new keywords that could be useful for further searching. Good luck using World Book!